I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Altima sun visor. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need both a flathead and a Phillips head screwdriver to handle the fasteners. Of course, have your new Nissan Altima sun visor ready for installation. A plastic trim removal tool can also be very helpful to gently pry components without scratching your vehicle's interior, ensuring a clean and professional job. Now, let's remove the old sun visor. Begin by using your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry off the small plastic cover that conceals the screws. Once exposed, use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two screws securing the visor to the ceiling. After the screws are out, gently pull the visor down and away from the headliner. If your visor has a vanity light, remember to disconnect the electrical connector before fully removing it. With the old visor removed, it's time to install your new one. If your new visor has a vanity light, first connect the electrical wiring securely. Next, carefully align the new sun visor with the mounting holes in the headliner. Once aligned, use your Phillips head screwdriver to fasten the two screws firmly into place. Finally, snap the plastic screw cover back over the mounting bracket to conceal the hardware and complete the installation. To finish up, perform a quick final check. Move the new sun visor through its full range of motion to ensure it operates smoothly and stays in position. If applicable, test the vanity light to confirm it illuminates correctly. Make sure all two screws are tightened securely, preventing any wobbling. With these steps, your Nissan Altima's sun visor replacement is complete, providing renewed functionality and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.